Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we have to start new article from chapter number 9 Optics of 11th standard syllabus. Last time we learned total internal reflection. Now in today's article, we have to learn one more concept, one more article which is based on total internal reflection, and it is optical fiber. Now ये optical fiber क्या होता है? So nowadays we are using broadband at your home. Now in that broadband we are using optical fiber cable. Now why we are using optical fiber cable? What are the advantages of the optical fiber that we have to cover in this article? How it work? Okay, with this article optical fiber we have to cover with respect to following point. With respect to this construction, means how it is prepared. Then the next one is working, how it work. So next article is working of optical fiber. Then after that we can learn advantages of optical fiber, and last one we can learn uses of optical fiber. So these articles we have to cover under this optical fiber. Now let me learn construction first. Now what is optical fiber? Basically optical fiber is made from high quality glass or cords material. Let I show you here. This is an optical fiber cable. So this central part of the optical fiber cable is called as core. So this is the core. So this part is called as core. This core having a refractive index about 1.7. So these are the approximate values for your understanding only. Now this is a central part made from high quality glass or cords whose refractive index is 1.7. This core is surrounded by a material whose refractive index is less than this refractive index of the core. It is surrounded by a material having a lower refractive index, and this material is called as cladding. So this material is called as cladding. The refractive index of the cladding is about 1.5. And this core and cladding whole assembly is covered by a protective covering. Okay, plastic covering. So that we are not showing in a diagram, but here core and cladding, these two are the very important part here. Now we learn a last article, a total internal reflection. What are the conditions for total internal reflection? The first condition is light ray must travel from denser medium to rare medium, and the second condition is angle of incidence in denser medium must be greater than the critical angle. Then only we can see total internal reflection. Now here I told you optical fiber is based on this total internal reflection. Then these two conditions are very important here. Now construction. Optical fiber consists of or made from high quality glass or cords material, the central part, and the central part is called as core, having a refractive index 1.7. It is covered by a lower refractive index material called as cladding, having a refractive index about 1.5, and both core and cladding covered by protective covering. The diameter of this optical fiber cable is about 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. So it is a very thin. So its diameter is very less. You can see 10 micro means 10 raised to minus 6. 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. And here 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So it having a very less diameter. Okay, this is the construction of the optical fiber. Now how it work? That we have to understand. Before the working, let I tell you. Now I told you denser medium and rare medium. So you remember here whose density is more is the denser medium, and rare means whose density is lesser is the rare medium. Now in this case here, you remember the denser medium having a more refractive index as compared to rare medium. Now here core is having a refractive index 1.7, about 1.7, and cladding having 1.5. So when we are talking about these two mediums, the medium with larger refractive index is a denser medium with respect to this medium. So here, when a light ray, now let us explain the working. When light ray is incident at one end of the optical fiber with a lesser angle, then it refract here. It refract, rare to denser it is going, so it bent towards the normal. So it bent towards the normal and incident on the wall of optical fiber. Now pay attention, this diameter of the optical fiber is very less. Diameter is very small. So 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. So here this optical fiber having a very small diameter, and because of that when this light ray incident on this wall of the optical fiber, it incident here with an angle greater than critical angle. Then as it incident here with an angle greater than critical angle, then total internal reflection occurs. This ray is internally reflect and incident on the opposite wall. Again here it incident on the opposite wall with an angle greater than the critical angle. Then again total internal reflection occurs, and this process continues before the light, means till the light ray emerges from the another end. Okay, everywhere it incident with an angle greater than critical angle, that you have to remember. Okay, now here it emerges. This is emergent light ray. So this is the working of optical fiber. I hope everyone understood. I explain it again. When light ray is incident at one end of the optical fiber with lesser angle, it incident here with an angle greater than critical angle, so total internal reflection occur. Opposite angle, it incident on the opposite wall with an angle greater than again critical angle, then again total internal reflection occur. So before emerging through another end, it suffer with multiple internal reflection, and this is the working of these optical fiber. Now after the working, what are the advantages? The first advantage, now before proceeding towards the advantage, you note one thing here. So here this optical fiber sends the signal in the form of light. By using optical fiber, we are sending the signal in the form of light. So first thing is here, first and very important advantage is high level of security here. High level of security. So therefore these optical fibers are used in military purposes, or to send the signal from one point to another point. They are using these optical fiber cables. Or we can say that where the high level of the security is required, we are using optical fiber cable. Now nowadays I told you we are using broadband. So in that also we are using optical fiber cable. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता अगर कि ब्रॉडबैंड का केबल जा रहा है आप कट करेंगे और वो इंटरनेट यूज करेंगे, ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज हियर दे हैविंग अ हाई लेवल ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. जैसे नॉर्मल कॉपर वायर होता है, अगर कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल जा रहा है या कुछ भी है तो यू कैन कट दैट वायर एंड दूसरी वायर ज्वाइन करेंगे तो यू कैन रिट्रीव दैट सिग्नल. बट हियर so this is not happen because the signal is in the form of light, so high level of security is maintained. Second one is high bandwidth. High bandwidth. Now bandwidth क्या होता है? Bandwidth means a frequency, signal carrying capacity. ठीक है? High bandwidth means high signal carrying capacity of the optical fiber. Now let I tell you simple example here. A single optical fiber can carry over 90,000 TV channel. Over 90,000 TV channel. And single TV channel having a frequency about or more than that 200 megahertz. 200 mega means 10 raised to 6. 200 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. This is the frequency of single channel. And a single optical fiber whose diameter is 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer carry over a 90,000, a larger than 90,000 TV channel. So it has a very high bandwidth. Now third one, low power loss or low signal loss, we can say that. So here, when we are transferring signal from one point to another point, so over a longer distance also, when we are sending the signal, a very less a signal loss in optical fiber, a less than or about, we can say 0.1 decibel per kilometer. So signal loss is as low as possible here, means 0.1 dB per kilometer. Now fourth one, it is thinner. It is a very thin, you know that how small diameter the optical fiber it has. Now the fifth one is low weight. Its weight is very less as compared to any copper wire. So it is thinner, low weight. These are also advantages of this optical fiber. And very important advantage is it is immune to electromagnetic signal, electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic signal. So what exactly it means that अगर एक ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल में से सिग्नल जा रहा है, उसके बाजू में अगर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सिग्नल है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स जा रही है, then also that electromagnetic wave doesn't affect the signal of optical fiber. So means optical fibers are immune to the electromagnetic wave. इसका एक सिंपल एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूँ. अगर आप माइक में बात कर रहे हैं यानी अगर आपका फोन आ जाता है, किसी ने आपको कॉल किया, तो माइक में से एक आवाज आती है, एक अलग तरीके से टू 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 करके एक आवाज आ जाती है. द रीजन इज दैट माइक इज नॉट इम्यून टू द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव. मोबाइल में जो जब फोन आता है तो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव मोबाइल कैच करता है एंड वही इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सिग्नल इज कैच बाय द माइक एंड उसके वजह से कुछ नॉइज इंट्रोड्यूस होता है साउंड में. ठीक है, बट हियर यू रिमेंबर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल्स आर इम्यून टू द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एडवांटेज ऑफ optical fiber cables. I hope everyone understood this. Now uses of the optical fiber cable. So because of advantages of the optical fiber cable, it is used in many purposes. Means I told you here, it is used in defense or it is used in military for high level means where high level of security we have to mention, we are using optical fiber. Not only in the military, but where we want to maintain a high level of security, we can use optical fiber in that case. The second one is it is used for TV transmission of TV signal, means broadband. Basically it is used in the broadband. Now next use is optical fiber is used in medical field also. Now where it is used in the medical field, that I tell you. You may heard the endoscopy. What is endoscopy? Endoscopy generally is used to observe internal body part. अगर आपने कुछ खाया, गलत तरीके से कुछ खाया, कुछ अटक गया आपके गले में, then क्या है अंदर, कुछ डैमेज हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, तो वो देखने के लिए we can use optical fiber. A small optical fiber एक मुंह से अंदर छोड़ा जाता है, उसे एक टिप पे उसे कैमरा होता है, and by that we can see on the monitor what the problem exactly in a body. So basically we can say that it is used in endoscopy to examine internal body parts. So this is the use of optical fiber. As well as it is used in mechanical purpose also. Means जहाँ पे कुछ एक मशीनरी है, जिस मशीनरी में हम खुद जाके अंदर नहीं देख सकते कि भाई प्रॉब्लम क्या है, similar to the endoscopy. In that case also we can use optical fiber. ठीक है, we can use optical fiber to observe the remote places in short. ठीक है, these are as well as optical fiber is used to measure the rate of flow of blood also. We are not going in too much detail about this, but you remember many applications are there for optical fiber. I hope everyone understood this optical fiber.